Happy Monday, everybody! I'm really excited about today because we just opened up registration for the Skinny Jean Challenge. And did you know we've already raised over $100 collectively through the group, and then I'm going to personally match that. So we're over $200 already for charity. You're putting miracles in motion. We kick off 1 week from tomorrow, the Skinny Jean Challenge, so you can still join. It's $1 to my PayPal. I will match it. Then we'll be sending it in. And look, Cupid got me. Cupid with that bow and arrow, more like a bazooka, just like hit me really hard with the VIP love. We're turning up the love this week. We're turning down the inches, turning up the muscle. Today we're going to be doing muscle hypertrophy, which is going to be a really great workout to build and get those gains. So guys, first of all, look. Don't make me do it. Okay, I'm going to do it. Woo! Happy Monday! All right, guys, all seriousness, we're having so many amazing brands. Look at all these goodies. Just pour their generous, abundant swag on us for the Skinny Jean Challenge. Let me just go over a couple. Thank you so much, Deluge, right here. Enerby, we've got nuts and more, high protein packed peanut butter. Look at the, oh my goodness, chocolate chip cookie dough. I'm feeling this VIP power today, guys. There's a heat wave of happiness. We have jewelry, oh my goodness, from Kendra Scott. We've got makeup, thank you so much. Estee Lauder Fit Aid. And check out these little butterfly sandals, how cute. Okay, plus we've got True Drops from True International. Thank you, Susan Lozier. So let's get to the message here. How do you grow muscle? You have to actually damage your muscle for it to grow. So you think you're building your muscle in the gym, right? When you're working out here in your VIP room. You think you're building your muscle. You actually have to damage it. Microscopic little tears to the muscle fiber. So when you repair, it gets stronger. Okay, so don't be worried if your muscle starts to itch or burn. That's where those little microscopic tears are happening. That's what you want. So if it starts to hurt, that's when the workout really starts, okay? And I love this term that I coined. It is called that the recovery is the new workout. That's when you're repairing. And did you know that during your sleep is the most important time you're repairing your muscle? In your own biorhythms around 11 a.m. and 2 a.m., you have 2 spikes of your human growth hormone. Those 2 spikes are what help you repair the muscle. So make sure you're getting your sleep. Make sure you're going to sleep sober, not with alcohol in your system. This is when your body is repairing. I cannot stress this enough. So we need to stress ourselves during the VIP workout to get those little tears so we can recover. We're going to be pushing, pulling, and lifting today to get the muscle hypertrophy. Okay, so right now, recovery is the new workout. Repairing is the new workout. How do we repair? We eat, nutrition, we rest, also low stress, ladies. Low stress. I know it's easier said than done, but stress triggers cortisol, gives you fat on the belly. We don't got time for that, all right? So stick with me. Protein, keep your protein high. And then also the repeated bout effect. What is that? When you lift the same amount of weight all the time, your body adjusts to it. So lift a little heavy. Big applause to Sally. She was starting out at 3 and 5s. She had to go to the other room and get her 15s. That's what it's all about. Ring the bell. Yes, let me say hello to Susan. Hello, Yelly. Hello, Kat. Progressive overload. So don't be afraid to add more weight. That's when you need more weight, more reps, or even higher tempo. Maybe even add another training day to your week because you're building yourself as an athlete. Keep building on the volume. So the most important, I would say, is sleep. Let me talk about sleep. Muscle recovery happens while you're sleeping. So important, guys. Get your good, high-quality sleep. All the hormones that are secreted to build your muscle and build your body are secreted while you're sleeping naturally, okay? So you could do your intermittent fasting. You could do your keto. You could be vegan. You could be flexitarian. You can do low calorie, low carb. You can do whatever you want to do. But if you're not getting high quality sleep, there's 4 stages of sleep. The first 2 are light. The third And the fourth are the deep sleep where the muscle recovery comes. And again, it's 11 and 2. Get on a good rhythm. So I want to just say this. Right now, this is a message for my champions. You're born a champion. You're walking like a champion, talking like a champion. You're living your life like a champion because you're doing your meal prep. You're thinking positive thoughts. And you are a survivor. You wouldn't be here right now unless you survived something. Greater is he in me than he in the world. Let me say it again. Greater is he in me than in the world. Focus on yourself. Work on yourself. This week is all dedicated to self-love and self-respect. Not self-worship, because there's a lot of self-worship out there, especially on Instagram and social media, and we're seeing everybody, look at me, I'm so great, look at all my followers. Let's get real, guys. You got to be connected to your higher power, your divine power, for you to really grow and shine and be the best version of yourself, okay? So I'm so excited that you are choosing happiness over hurting. You're choosing to be successful than to be full of sorrow. You're choosing to be faithful instead of walking in fear. You're choosing to be happy instead of just like worried. Don't you worry about anything. The only thing you got to worry about, when is my next workout, when is my next meal, and worry about how good you look and your back be hurting because there's so much glutes back there. Okay? Who's with me today? Let's turn up the love. This week is Valentine's. I'm going to be doing some surprise giveaways. You're not going to want to miss all of that. So we're going live at 8 a.m. Let's do this. I'm walking side to side a little bit today just from Saturday's workout. So we're going to really have a great workout today. I'll see you guys at 8 a.m. for muscle hypertrophy. Let's do this. And if you're not a member, join JNLVIP.com. Your first month is $1, then $25 every month after that. Let's do this. I believe in you. Bye, guys. Thank you, Yelly. Yes.